Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Harmful foods that impact brain health. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: the unhealthy foods that can negatively impact your brain health. You might think of brain-boosting foods like blueberries and fatty fish, but did you know that some everyday items in your pantry could do more harm than good? Research shows that certain foods can contribute to cognitive decline and even lead to brain diseases like Alzheimer's. For instance, processed sugars, trans fats, and excessive sodium can wreak havoc on your brain's health. These ingredients are often found in snacks, fast food, and sugary beverages that many consume regularly without a second thought. Understanding nutrition is crucial for maintaining cognitive function as we age. Our brains require specific nutrients to thrive, and when we fill our diets with harmful foods, we risk impairing our mental clarity and memory. We must be aware of what we put into our bodies, as our dietary choices can significantly influence our brain health. What's even more surprising is that some of these harmful foods are marketed as healthy options. So, stick around as we uncover the truth behind these common culprits and share tips on making better choices for your brain. Your cognitive health is worth it! Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The most harmful foods causing brain disease. Being mindful of what we eat is crucial to protecting our brain health. Let's examine foods that are particularly detrimental to cognitive function and could contribute to brain disease. First on the list is processed sugar. High sugar intake can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. Studies have shown that diets high in sugar can impair memory and learning abilities. Next, we have trans fats, commonly found in fried foods, baked goods, and margarine. These unhealthy fats can disrupt the brain's ability to communicate effectively, leading to memory issues and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Another culprit is excessive sodium, often hidden in processed and packaged foods. High sodium levels can lead to hypertension, which is a significant risk factor for cognitive decline and stroke. Lastly, let's not forget about refilled carbohydrates, like white bread and pastries. These foods can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation and potential brain fog. Understanding the scientific reasons behind these harmful effects can empower you to make better dietary choices. Being mindful of your consumption can help protect your brain health and maintain cognitive function as you age. So let's choose wisely and prioritize foods that nourish our minds. 10 foods that destroy your brain. Some foods are best avoided for brain health. Here are 10 specific foods you should avoid to keep your mind sharp and healthy. 1. Sugary drinks. Sodas and energy drinks contain sugar. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that high sugar consumption is linked to an increased risk of dementia. 2. Processed meats. Hot dogs and deli meats contain high sodium and preservatives. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that processed meats can increase the risk of cognitive decline. 3. White bread. Made from refined flour, white bread can cause blood sugar spikes. A study in neurology found that high glycemic index foods are associated with poorer cognitive performance. 4. Fried foods. Foods like French fries and fried chicken are high in trans fats, which can lead to inflammation and cognitive impairment, according to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Found in diet sodas, artificial sweeteners can disrupt gut health, which is linked to brain function. Research suggests a connection between artificial sweeteners and an increased risk of neurological disorders. 6. High sodium snacks. Chips and pretzels can lead to hypertension, a risk factor for cognitive decline. 7. Pastries and sweets. These are high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats, contributing to inflammation. 8. Excessive alcohol. While moderate consumption may have some benefits, excessive drinking can lead to brain shrinkage and cognitive decline. 9. Ice cream. Loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, ice cream can contribute to inflammation and weight gain, both detrimental to brain health. 10. Instant noodles. High in sodium and preservatives, These can negatively impact cognitive function. For healthier alternatives, consider replacing sugary drinks with water or herbal teas, choosing whole grain bread instead of white, snacking on nuts instead of chips, and enjoying fresh fruit instead of pastries. Making these simple swaps can significantly benefit your brain health. Never eat walnuts with this; it causes cancer and memory loss. Walnuts are often hailed as a superfood, packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. However, a specific combination can make them harmful. Walnuts combined with excessive sugar or sweeteners. This seemingly innocent pairing can lead to serious health risks, including cancer and memory loss. When consumed with high amounts of sugar, walnuts can create an inflammatory response in the body. Research has shown that excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, which is linked to various health issues, including cognitive decline and an increased risk of certain cancers. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high-sugar diets can negatively impact brain health, leading to memory loss. Moreover, the combination of walnuts and sugar can negate the health benefits of the nuts themselves. While walnuts are rich in healthy fats, the added sugar can promote oxidative stress and inflammation, counteracting their protective effects. So how can you enjoy walnuts safely? First, avoid pairing them with sugary snacks or desserts. Instead, try incorporating walnuts into savory dishes, like salads or stir-fries, where their natural flavor can shine without the harmful effects of sugar. You can also enjoy them as a standalone snack or blend them into smoothies with unsweetened ingredients. By making these simple adjustments, you can reap the benefits of walnuts without the associated health risks. Worst food for your brain. When it comes to brain health, the single worst food you can consume is processed sugar. This ingredient, often found in sodas, candies, and baked goods, poses significant risks to cognitive function and overall brain health. Compelling evidence highlights the dangers of processed sugar. A study published in the journal Nature Neuroscience found that high sugar intake can lead to inflammation in the brain, which is linked to memory loss and cognitive decline. Additionally, excessive sugar consumption can cause spikes in blood glucose levels, leading to insulin resistance, a condition that has been associated with an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. The alarming effects of excess sugar on memory and cognition are alarming. Research indicates that diets high in sugar can impair synaptic function, which is crucial for learning and memory. Individuals who consume high amounts of sugar are more likely to experience brain fog, decreased attention span, and difficulty retaining information. Given these detrimental effects, it's crucial to eliminate processed sugar from your diet. Start by reading labels, avoiding foods with added sugars, and opting for whole, unprocessed foods. Natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup can be used in moderation, but the best approach is to focus on fruits for sweetness. Cutting out processed sugar can significantly improve brain health, enhance cognitive function, and protect memory for years. Nutrition and healthy lifestyle. When it comes to maintaining overall brain health, the connection between nutrition and cognitive function is undeniable. A balanced diet supports brain health and provides the essential nutrients for optimal brain performance. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, such as leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, and berries, enhance memory, improve focus, and protect against cognitive decline. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are vital for building brain cell membranes and have been linked to improved cognitive function. However, nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle choices also significantly impact brain health. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management are essential components that work in tandem with a healthy diet. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neurons and enhancing overall cognitive function. Similarly, quality sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and mental clarity, while managing stress can prevent the adverse effects of chronic stress on brain health. Adopting better eating habits is essential to fostering a healthier brain. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, while reducing processed foods and added sugars. Small changes, like swapping snacks for nuts or choosing water over sugary drinks, can make a significant difference. By prioritizing nutrition and making mindful lifestyle choices, you can support your brain health and enhance your cognitive abilities for years to come. Metabolic health and brain function. Metabolic health is pivotal in brain function, influencing cognitive performance and overall mental clarity. When our metabolism functions optimally, our brain receives the necessary nutrients and energy to operate efficiently. Conversely, poor metabolic health can lead to issues such as insulin resistance, inflammation, and oxidative stress, all of which can impair cognitive abilities and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The relationship between metabolism and cognitive performance is evident in how our bodies process food. For instance, a balanced metabolism helps regulate blood sugar levels, providing a steady supply of glucose to the brain. Fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to brain fog, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Therefore, maintaining metabolic health is essential for sustaining focus and memory. To support metabolic health and brain function, consider incorporating foods rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants into your diet. Avocados, nuts, fatty fish, whole grains, and leafy greens can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Additionally, berries are packed with antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative damage. When making dietary choices, it's crucial to consider your metabolic health. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods and limit refined sugars and unhealthy fats. You can enhance cognitive performance and promote long-term brain health by prioritizing foods that nourish your metabolism and brain. Remember, a healthy brain starts with a healthy metabolism. We discussed how processed sugars, trans fats, and excessive sodium can lead to inflammation, memory loss, and even increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Being mindful of what we eat can significantly enhance our brain health and overall well-being. We also highlighted the benefits of incorporating brain-boosting foods like fatty fish, leafy greens, and nuts. These foods provide essential nutrients that support cognitive function. Remember, a balanced diet fuels your body and nourishes your mind, helping you maintain focus and clarity throughout your day. Now is the time to take actionable steps towards better nutrition. Start by evaluating your eating habits and consider making small, sustainable changes. Swap out sugary snacks for healthier options, and prioritize whole, unprocessed foods that support your metabolic health and brain function. If you found this information valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on nutrition and health. Remember to like this video. It would help if you shared it with friends and family who could benefit from these tips. Let's make informed choices that promote a healthier brain and a brighter future. Thank you for watching.